Welcome to Kuruwatha, a harmonious blend of heritage and luxury. Step into a world where history meets modern sophistication with Kuruwatha, a stunning example of Federation architecture crafted in 1907. This remarkable home, designed in the elegant arts and crafts style, stands as a testament to timeless beauty and meticulous restoration. Perched majestically in the elevated position of Mossman Bay, Kuruwatha commands breathtaking panoramic views that span the glittering harbour, the vibrant city skyline, and the charming vistas of North Sydney. Enriched with intricate craftsmanship and custom joinery, creates a seamless flow from indoor living spaces to outdoor entertaining areas, complete with an infinity pool that mirrors the serene water vistas beyond. Kuruwatha is a sanctuary of peace amidst the bustling city, offering an unparalleled lifestyle of convenience and sophistication. Its prime location ensures you're just moments away from ferries, buses, charming cafes, and prestigious schools. Inside, the home boasts a blend of iconic arts and crafts architecture and contemporary luxury. The property features 6 generously sized bedrooms, 4 elegant bathrooms, and multiple powder rooms. The Grand Master Suite is a personal retreat with its own dressing room, while the versatile upper level provides ample spaces for a home office, gym, or entertainment area. The gourmet kitchen, complemented by a professional caterer's kitchen, is perfect for both everyday cooking and grand entertaining. Exquisite finishes throughout the home, including beautiful fireplaces and handcrafted details, enhance the sense of luxury. State-of-the-art technology and amenities ensure modern comfort, while secure parking and a private garden add to the convenience and exclusivity of this property. Kuruwatha is more than just a home. It's a masterpiece of design, a sanctuary of elegance, and a rare blend of heritage charm and modern luxury.